G'day cocktail lovers, this is the latest in a long line of riffs of one of my favourite cocktails, the Vieuz Carre. Besides being a great cocktail, it's eminently riffable. Just swapping out different spirits and modifiers can make related but unique drinks. This one has Anejo Tequila in it, and Vieuz Carre is French for the old square. It's a part of New Orleans, and so as is traditional when it's something with another language, we translate it into Spanish, it would be Plaza Vieja. And I have had variations with agave spirits before, but not one with Anejo Tequila. Any excuse to do a Vieuz Carre riff, and I'm going to give this one a taste. Oh, I love that the tequila character is actually coming through. It's a relatively subtle change compared to some of the other Vieuz Carre riffs I've had, but it remains a super tasty drink, even with the variation, but I'll show you how to make it. In a mixing glass, put 1 ounce or 30 mils of Anejo Tequila, and then 15 mils or half an ounce of bourbon, 15 mils or half an ounce of cognac, then 1 ounce or 30 mils of sweet vermouth, then 1/4 of an ounce, which is around 7.5 mils of Benedictine. Round things out with 2 dashes of Peychaud's bitters. Add ice to the glass, stir that for 20 to 25 seconds to chill and dilute the drink, and then strain it into a rocks glass over a big chunk of ice, preferably sexy clear ice. For garnishes, I'm going with my favourites, a twist of orange peel and a maraschino cherry on a skewer. And really, the clear ice becomes part of the whole drink. I know I harp on about it a lot, but it's not that difficult to do, and I think it adds to the whole cocktail experience. I have seen comments on other people's videos about clear ice. Why would you bother? It's like, because it's cool. That's why you'd bother. And I've got the easiest way of doing it that doesn't take up your whole freezer as well, and you'll be seeing the link to it, if not now, very soon. But I'm going to enjoy this. An Anejo Tequila inflected Vieuz Carre, or a Plaza Vieja, and it looks good, it tastes good, and I'm going to have a good time with it. Hope you're having a good time wherever you are. Hope to see you again sometime soon. Until I do, I will say cheers.